Sure, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are safe and doing well. So in this video, if you see my energy level here is just because I am filming after so long. So yes, I am back with yet another my top 5 favorite video. So before I already done my top 5 favorite new lipstick, red lipstick and my top 5 favorite foundation. So today I am back with my top 5 favorite concealers. Okay, concealer are my best friends because they hide my black soul, the dark circle. I really don't have much, but जितना भी है वो सब concealer hide कर लेता है. So they are my best friends. They hide my pigmentation, they hide my pimples, the annoying pimples they hide. So they are my really good friends. Okay, so concealer are really subjective thing because some like to use like their exact skin tone, some like to use a bit dark for their dark circles, and some like to use bright concealers to bright their here under eye area, forehead, nose and that. So it's really subjective, but for me I am showing you guys my favorite concealers which work for me. I have combination skin. Sometimes I feel oily on my T-zone and sometimes I feel dry on my cheeks, so I am from combination skin family. So concealer, if you want to see my favorite foundations, so link will be somewhere here in the I button. I will leave the link for you guys, and I will also leave the links for my top 5 favorite red and nude lipstick in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. And if you are new, please do subscribe to my channel. That means absolute world to me. And yes, without making this intro longer, let's get into the video. Start with my favorite one. I can't say favorite for this concealer enough because I just love this concealer. This is their Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. This is really beautiful. This have really beautiful applicator. The first time I used this, and with this applicator I just fell in love with this concealer, and you can see how much I use. And this concealer have plus point that you don't waste your concealer. इतना सा भी concealer waste नहीं होता. You use every penny you spend on this, and this retails was 620 rupees, and this have 9 different shades. So 9 different shades है, मतलब चल जाता है. You can find your shade really easily. I am the shade medium, and I will also leave all the details on the screen so you can check that out. Just look how beautiful this looks, and you can see how much I use. Okay, so another concealer is also from family of Maybelline. This is their Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I am the shade 20 cent. This also have 9 different shades. This is really affordable, 475 rupees. The first concealer I owned was this one. Because the Fit Me range is for beginners. I was a beginner, so I took that whole Fit Me range from Maybelline because it's affordable, really good coverage, really handy, मतलब हर जगह मिल जाता है. You can find this concealer easily in every local beauty store. And yes, please mind, you don't have to swatch here. अगर आप buy कर रहे हो, don't swatch here. This is concealer. Take थोड़ा सा product and apply here because all Indian skin tone have dark circles. So please try here because आप इधर try करोगे, this skin will be fair. आपके dark circles थोड़े dark होंगे. So keep that thing in mind if you are buying. I suggest you to go to store and buy your foundation and concealer. I bought so many concealer and foundation, but still I prefer to go to store and buy my foundation and concealer. बहुत रिस्क होता है तभी ही मैं like online buy करती हूँ, और else offer होता है तभी. और if I am buying repetitively, जैसे कि ये है, now I have to buy another one, so I will buy online because I know this is my shade because I used this. So आप पहली बार ले रहे हो तो I suggest you to go to store because if you buy online you might get your shade wrong and you clearly waste your money, and you don't want that, right? Okay, so my next favorite concealer is really popular. This LA Girl Pro Conceal. I am in the shade Creamy Beige, if I am not wrong. Yes, in the shade Creamy Beige. This also have really interesting applicator. Okay, this is full coverage, like full coverage, and this is really affordable, 695 rupees, and you got full coverage concealer. Again, this have like really variety of shade like pink, green, orange, red. आप नाम बोलो और ये कंसीलर में वो आपको मिल जाएगी. येलो भी है शायद. So yes, if you are having like really dark pigmentation and if you need color corrector, then this will be your thing. And yes, this will, I don't know ये local store में मिलता है या नहीं, because I bought this online because I didn't find anywhere in Ahmedabad. If you know कि कहीं मिलता है, then please let me know in the comments कि कहाँ पर मिलता है. I want to buy this concealer for contour. मैंने काफ़ी influencers को देखा है कि they use this concealer for their contour, so I really want to buy liquid contour, so I thought I will go for this only. So this concealer is recently added to my favorite list because this I bought recently and this is like 2-3 use में ही this became my favorite, my best friend, because this retail for 229 rupees और मैंने 50% सेल में लिया था, so I got for 160 rupees. And the coverage this give in 160 rupees is amazing. This is the one I am wearing on my face right now. This is Swiss Beauty liquid concealer. Oh my goodness, I don't have words for this concealer. Just amazing. But I dropped my concealer. So I'm in the shade 03 medium and this is like really cheap, but packaging will not feel a cheap. This is really like really classy packaging. So thumbs up for Swiss Beauty for this. So last but not the least, Huda Beauty Overachiever High Coverage Concealer. This retails for 2520 rupees. Way expensive, but the formulation this gives is just out of this world. And the applicator, wait, let me show you the applicator. और ये ना, again I was about to drop, ये जो applicator है, when you apply here it feels so good. ये बहुत ठंडा लगता है. I just can't explain the feeling, but I know this is a bit expensive, bit नहीं, काफ़ी expensive है, but the result this give is totally worth your money. When I was buying this, I was like, should I put my hard-earned money on this or not? But I was like, this is one-time investment. So I bought this and I'm really happy with my purchase for this concealer because this worked for like every other skin tone, because ये concealer is perfect for my skin tone and this works for my mom as a like थोड़ा सा light concealer for their highlight purpose. So this is really full coverage. I have the shade Cookie Dough 14N. You can find the shades really easily because they have 20 different shades. And if you are a dark skin tone, dusky skin tone person, then please I request you to check this out because they have really good collection in dark skin tone, for dark skin tone also. So yes, that was my टॉप 5 फेवरेट कंसीलर्स. प्लीज़ लेट मी नो कि आपको ये वीडियो कैसा लगा और what other top 5 favorites you want to see next, because I am planning to make another top 5 favorites. So let me know कि आपको another कौन से top 5 favorites देखने हैं, and please let me know कि next what you want to see on my channel. I would love to make it for you guys. If you are new, please do subscribe to my channel. Please follow me on my Instagram. This is my Instagram handle. And yes, I will meet you in my next video. Bye bye.